There are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Here we are discussing 4 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, and adjective. Noun. A noun is a word used to refer to people, animals, place, or thing. A noun functions as a subject or object of a verb. Example: Ram is playing football in the park. Here, the words like Ram, football, and park are all nouns as they represent person, place, and thing. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Words like he, she, it, I, you, etc. are all pronouns. Example: this is a house. Here, this is used as a pronoun. Next is verb. A verb in a sentence is a part of speech which conveys some action. Words like bring, read, walk, etc. are verbs. Example: William writes a letter. Here, writes is used as a verb. Next is adjective. Adjectives are describing words that describe a noun or a pronoun. Words like big, small, grey, etc. are all adjectives. Example: this is a blackboard. Here, black denotes the color of the noun, that is the board. There are different types of nouns, pronouns, verbs, and adjectives, which we will discuss in the future video. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.